What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're making roasted vegetables with chicken over wild rice. This meal is very, very healthy and is very flavorful, so if you're on a diet or anything, hey, this will do the job for you. Without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to start by chopping up our celery, get our vegetables chopped up nice and beautifully. We want them nice sized pieces so that when they roast, okay, they roast perfectly. They don't get burned or anything like that. That's what we're going for. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get our celery prepared. We're gonna go ahead and get our red peppers cut up. And we're gonna use the same methodology. All right, we don't want them too thin because when we set them in the oven, we want everything to roast evenly, come out nice and caramelized and beautiful. And family, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notification, like the video, and drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And remember, I'm gonna always answer you back. So whatever comments you leave, I'm definitely gonna make sure that I answer those. Okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get our sweet peppers. These things are amazing. And they add so much flavor once you roast them. Family, don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Discover Flavor TV. As we continue to chop these peppers up, you can even put the seeds in there. It doesn't even matter. Now we got our fresh asparagus. Just like to cut off the dead bits on the tips. Split them in two. And there you have it. This is so simple. Get a nice medium-sized onion. We're gonna chop that up nice and roughly as well. I love my rustic chop. That's the best way to do it. Got leftover onion, use that too. Add some from a previous meal. Throw it in there as well. There you go. We're gonna add our olive oil. And I created my own Discover Flavor spice blend. So that's what I'm gonna be using on this. Give that a nice mix. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. It's all for flavor. I'm gonna find some jalapenos in here as well. Throw some jalapenos in here. And we're gonna go ahead and roast some garlic too. So we're just gonna split a whole garlic head straight down the middle. If I can possibly get my knife through. We're gonna throw that in there, right? Not the whole. We're gonna throw it in there. Other little pieces of garlic, and we're gonna throw some olive oil on this as well and season it up. It's gonna give the garlic some lovely flavor. It's the best way to do it, man. It's the best way to roast some garlics for meal prep. The best way to roast some veggies for meal prep. Okay, because I'm not gonna eat all these veggies in one sitting, but we can take it and portion it out. You'll have veggies for the rest of the week. Go with any meal you decide to make. All right, and doesn't that look beautiful? We got broccoli, we got all kinds of stuff in there, man. Asparagus, lovely greens. Now we're gonna go prep some chicken. We're gonna throw some rosemary on there. And I got a little bit of the spice blend left over. Let's get that mixed in beautifully. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some flour. Give that a nice good mix. And we're gonna throw this in the oven as well. And let that cook down right along with the veggies. And that flour is gonna create a nice, amazing crust. Put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan so it doesn't stick. And we're gonna get these guys into the oven. Now we're gonna go ahead and take those out and plate with some wild rice. And hit it with the sauteed mushrooms. You get all the veggies in there, and you're in the game. Then we're gonna add our chicken right onto the top of it. Now everything is done at the same time. And there you have it, man. Your roast vegetables and chicken over a bed of wild rice. An excellent, healthy meal with so much flavor. Thank you for watching Discover Flavor. I hope that you would hit that like, subscribe button, drop me a comment, okay? And join the family. Thanks again. Peace and blessings.